guys, what is up? It's your girl Rachel with Nighttime Mommy Reviews, and today we're finally going to be doing the comparison between the Ninja Foodi Grill XL and the Ninja Foodi Grill. So stay tuned. We're going to get started with the specs, and then we can go into the big differences between the two devices. Alright, so let's start off with the specs. From the video, you can already see that the Ninja Foodi Grill XL is extra large, as you can see, in terms of surface area. For the grill plate, you have a 9x12 grill plate and a 10x10 grill plate for the original grill. With the XL, you have it's 15.16 inches widthwise, 16.54 inches in diameter, and then 11.05 inches in height. For the Ninja Foodi Grill, you have 12.05 inches in width, 16.88 inches in depth or diameter, and then 10.59 inches in height. In terms of the depth of the main base pan, the 9x12 plate or base pan has a 3-inch depth, whereas the Ninja Foodi Grill has a 4.5-inch depth. Now, they both hold the same in terms of the air fryer basket. The air fryer basket is still 4-quart air fryer basket. The only thing in terms of size is really the more surface area that you receive. So it's more shallow with this pan than it is the other. I'll show you guys. You can see it's shallower. This one is deeper, but you have more space to grill, or you can have more steaks on there. For example, with this grill, I was only able to do one of the huge T-bone steaks that I buy from my local supermarket. But with this one, I can do both of the T-bone steaks that I'm used to making one at a time in that grill on this one. So if you're looking for the indoor grill feature and that's your main purpose, the XL is the way to go. So here is the height when they're opened up. You have the XL grill just a little bit over 16 inches, it looks like, and the regular Ninja Foodi Grill is coming in just a little bit below 16 inches in height. The cord is the same length of 3 feet. Both of them are 3 feet long. Also, the max wattage that they can pull is 1760. Now, you may be asking, alright, so what else did they do with the new Ninja Foodi Grill? Did they add anything? What is the difference between the Ninja Foodi Grill and the Ninja Foodi Grill XL? Well, one of the things that they added was a new broil feature. Now, you can broil cheese on in a few minutes. You can go up to 500 degrees using the broil feature. Not only did they do that, but they also added a thermometer probe. Now, there's two versions of the Ninja Foodi Grill. This version where you have one which is the Pro and the other one which is not the Pro. It is the regular Ninja Foodi Grill, and it does not come with the thermometer probe. The Pro came with a thermometer probe. This one comes with a thermometer probe, which I washed. Let me get it. Alright, so this one came with a thermometer probe, and it is removable and also has a handy dandy little storage unit right on the side that is magnetic, so it will automatically go there. You can place it on anything that's magnetic, actually. But I like that it actually folds up back into this little container each and every time you use it. So I will show you guys. Here is the thermometer, and you just plug it in on the side. There we go. You plug it in on the side. But what I like about this thermometer is that it has a dual probe. It has a dual sensor probe, meaning this one has more technology to read or get a better accurate temperature when you are using it. Now, I have tested this on chicken thighs, chicken legs, steaks, you name it. They come out perfect every time when you place it correctly. So I will insert a clip right now letting you guys know how I insert the probe to get it into the thickest part of the meat so that it reads the temperature accurately. Alright, and we'll do that now. what I did was I put it right through the center, straight to the center, because it has that dual sensor. You never want to go up pointing into it. You want to go through the side all the way into the thickest part of the meat. So now that you've seen how to insert the probe, one of the great things that this grill comes with are presets. So that's one of the big differences between the Ninja Foodi Grill XL and the grill, is that you have preset temperatures that you can select. So let's say we want to grill a steak and we want to grill it on high. You have the option for rare, medium, medium well. So there's 9 levels altogether. You can be in between medium and medium rare. As you can see, there's 2 options for medium rare, 2 options for medium well, or for medium, and so on. So you have 9 presets for the beef settings, and you also have chicken preset, pork, which all goes from medium rare to well, fish, medium rare to well, and then you're back to beef. So you have chicken, pork, fish, and beef presets, and using the thermometer probe, you'll get the desired temperature that you're looking for. However, if you do not want to use one of the presets, you do not have to. You can set it to manual and select the target temperature that you would like. And once you do that, it'll start reading the temperature on this side of the current temperature of the meat that you inserted, along with the target temperature, and as it approaches, you'll see the number rising as well. So let's talk about cleaning. How easy is it to clean? I believe that the Ninja Foodi Grill XL is a little bit easier to clean, just because it allows you to clean it. There's space, or there's an area where you can actually put a scrubber and clean it, and it's not so tedious. Whereas if you watched the Ninja Foodi Grill cleaning video that I have here on my channel, I had to get a toothbrush just to get the grease around the filter screen that we have here, the screen filter. I had to get a toothbrush and kind of scrub out the grease from there. Now here I don't have to do that. I can have a scrubber. Also, we have the filter screen here. I'll bring that down for you. They're both the same, so I have a video on how to clean the screen filter for both of them. It applies the same way. If you like the all-natural method, I use baking soda and vinegar to clean it, which I need to clean my screen right now, or soon, so that is what I'll be doing soon. But that is one of the things, is that you can clean it very easily. You can remove it and place it back in easily as well. Now, what I did notice is that the screen is much smaller with the XL, but in my opinion, it's better because it doesn't have that little notch that, as you've seen, I had to line it up and then click it in. I can just plug this in right here, or push it in, and it's back in. So that is my comparison between the two devices. You guys, overall, they're both great machines. I think Ninja did a great job coming out with the XL, because they heard our concerns. We wanted more surface area to grill. After all, it is an indoor grill. We want to be able to cook a lot at a time. Now I can make carne asada, I can make my steaks, and I'll be doing that on my channel. So make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you aren't already subscribed. I also will be coming out with a video on cleaning the grill, or the XL grill. I've been letting it get a little bit dirty, and I'm just spot cleaning just to see what works the best, so that I can give that information to you guys. So stay tuned. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. If there's any information that you want to know about the grills or the differences, please let me know in the comments, and I will do my best to answer all of them as quickly as possible. Alright, until next time, have a great night.